Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach, and right here you can get a better British accent. Today is a tutorial on OUGH. There are at least 8 different ways of saying OUGH. Can you imagine? I'll show you the vowel and consonant combinations, and at the end I'll give you an unbelievable spelling and sound combination. Here's a sneak preview now. Can you guess what it is? You'll have to wait and see, so stick around right to the end of the video. Okay, let's go through these. So the first one is UGH sound. UGH like tough and rough. The second type is when it's OR, as in bought and thought. The third type is in through, and that's an OO sound. The fourth type is in thorough, and it's a schwa at the end, thorough. The next one is plow, and that's pronounced ow. The machine to turn over soil in your field is called a plough. British English spelling is P-L-O-U-G-H, and in American English it's P-L-O-W. The next one is although, and that's like O. The other one is cough. That's a off sound. Cough. Okay, and here it is. This is the word. The most amazing spelling and sound word that you'll ever see is, what am I doing now? It's a hiccup. But the spelling of hiccup looks like hiccough. But we say hiccup. Now, to make it more complicated, hiccup can be spelt H-I-C-C-U-P to look just like hiccup. Are you still with me? So there you go. How amazing is that? English spelling and sound at its finest and probably most complicated. So it does make English very difficult because English is not a phonetic language like some languages. So my tip is try and learn and practice the individual words and the combinations that I've talked about today. And if I were you, I would also, because we haven't done the meanings of words today, I think if you're not sure the meanings of the words, please check them in a dictionary as well. So, if you would like to see another pronunciation video that I've done recently, I've done the 17 most mispronounced tube station or underground station names in London, in my opinion. If you want to improve your pronunciation of names, which are really important in English, because again, spelling and sound can be completely different, right? The link is in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. I'm producing regular videos. Okay, so thanks guys for watching. By the way, I really appreciate everybody who's been subscribing and liking the videos and commenting. It's been so fantastic recently. And all I have to say now is stay connected and over and out.